Welcome, night owls and city explorers. Picture a city buzzing with life, its skyscrapers glowing under the night sky. This is São Paulo, Brazil's largest city and a haven for those who love the night. With a population of over 12 million people, São Paulo never sleeps, and neither does its vibrant nightlife. São Paulo is a city of contrasts, where tradition meets modernity. Its nightlife is no exception. It offers a wide range of experiences, from the high-end to the underground, from the chill to the wild. There's always something happening when the sun goes down. In the heart of the city, Vila Madalena stands out as an epicenter of São Paulo's nightlife. Known for its bohemian vibe, the neighborhood is a maze of bars, clubs, and art galleries. Here, the night comes alive with the sounds of samba, bossa nova, and local bands. Avenida Paulista, the city's main thoroughfare, transforms into a cultural hub after sunset. The avenue, lined with bars, clubs, and restaurants, becomes a melting pot of cuisines, music, and people. For those seeking a luxurious experience, Jardins District offers high-end bars and clubs. It's a place to dress up and enjoy the night in style, sipping on cocktails while listening to jazz or electronic music. Barra Funda, on the other hand, offers a more underground experience. The district is home to alternative clubs and music venues, where the city's youth gather to dance the night away to the beats of techno, rock, and indie music. But São Paulo's nightlife isn't just about dancing and music, it's also about food. The city's late-night eateries serve everything from traditional Brazilian fare to international cuisines. Whether you're craving a late-night snack or a full meal, there's always a place to satiate your hunger. To sum it up, São Paulo's nightlife is a kaleidoscope of experiences. From the artsy streets of Vila Madalena to the luxurious clubs in Jardins, from the bustling Avenida Paulista to the underground vibes of Barra Funda, São Paulo offers something for every kind of night owl. So, if you're in the mood for a night of dancing, music, food, and fun, São Paulo is the place to be. The city's nightlife promises an unforgettable experience, one that will keep you coming back for more. If you enjoyed this virtual tour of São Paulo's nightlife, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up. Stay tuned for more exciting journeys into the world's most vibrant cities. Until then, keep exploring and keep dreaming. Good night, or as they say in São Paulo, boa noite.